That's Melody. She's eating lunch right now. Hubby, what you eating?
French fries
French fries
and chicken.
and chicken. Hi everyone, we are here at SFO Airport right now, and we are officially on our way to the Big Apple. That's right, we are flying to New York City. Our flight got delayed 1 hour.
You know it's more than 1 hour?
It is?
Because we're supposed to board at 1:20, but we're now boarding at 3. Like,
3 o'clock?
yeah.
Oh
We're
man,
not taking off at that time. We're boarding at that time.
3:20?
Like 3:02. We're doing like...
Really? Well, I guess Daddy's okay with it. He's working. Boarding time!
Finally, after like 2 hours.
Yes. We just landed. Hello, New York. It's already 1 o'clock a.m. here because we got delayed for almost 2 hours. We just got our check-in bag. Going for Uber now. Finally, we arrived here in our hotel. What time is it, Mel? 2:30 or almost 3 a.m.
2:30.
Oh, look at that. Welcome, Cesar.
The bathroom is nice. Yeah, actually the water.
Typical
You
New
know
York room.
You forget how tiny New York hotel rooms are because of my last apartment.
I know, your apartment is so big. We just had our first meal of the day here at Sweet Green. It's just across from our hotel. We sleep in today and then wake up like almost 12 already. So we just had our lunch. It's already 3:30.
So it's called Cisco Day.
And then we're just gonna have a light dinner
Cisco Day is a extra day.
tonight.
So you know those investment firms don't do that.
It's our first day roaming around. We are here at Columbia Circle. We went to Sephora to get something. It's a nice weather. What?
Belgian chocolate brownie.
I know, looks good. Our food for tomorrow, we're going to Boston.
Yeah.
Anyway, this is where we're staying. And we just get down here for a dinner at this place. And this is 54th Avenue. We're just waiting for our table right now. We got our appetizers.
We should ask them for several ones. I like how they cut it.
We're just walking around now after dinner here at the Broadway. I asked Melody if she wants. Hey Melody, you wanna go see your old apartment?
Yeah.
Right there. You miss your apartment.
New York pizza.
We walked from our hotel to Avis to get our rental car. We are going to Boston today. Finally, we got our car. It took us 5 hours drive to get here, and hubby and Melody skip breakfast and lunch. Me, I keep on munching pastries, chips, nuts.
Drinking water.
Yeah, I drink the whole thing also. A big bottled water. We didn't even stop at any rest area. Daddy just continue driving. Okay, let's go for dinner. So we got our dinner here at, this is Luke's Lobster. We decided to get lobster roll.
Did anyone talk to my mom?
Oh, we're like, you know,
this
this is where we're staying. A very old building, but it's modern inside. Good morning! It's our second day. And we ordered our breakfast through DoorDash from this place, Tate.
Tati or Tate, I'm not sure how you pronounce it.
Yeah, me too, I'm not sure. Hello everyone! Today I'm taking you along the iconic streets here in Boston. The Newbury Street. It's famous for shopping and great foods.
Shopping and food.
Yeah. It's really nice. We are here now at the Boston Public Garden. The walk is not that bad. It's only 11 minutes away from our hotel.
We went all the way here to see this.
This is the starting point
It's a
of
2.5
the
mile walk.
Freedom
We start
Trail.
from here.
Okay, it's another 8-minute walk to Acorn Street from Freedom Trail. It's a famous street made out of cobblestone. This is it. Look at this, guys. Famous street here in Boston. Acorn Street.
You want to be in the center of my book?
Hi, thank you.
We're going inside the library.
There's one, you know what he brought you home?
So we're here to visit this church.
I'm looking at his finger.
It's a Cathedral of the Holy Cross. We are back here at Quincy Market. Wow, there's so many tourists today. Today is just a perfect day. It's just like California weather. This is where we got our lobster sandwich last time. Boston Chowder.
Yeah, let's go. Yeah.
We're lucky to get a table here. We are here now at Seaport. After Quincy Market, we took an Uber.
This is a nice residential area right next to the
This is one of the attractions here in Boston. Melo, do you wanna go here? F1 Arcade. Okay, we're waiting for our Uber now to go back to the hotel. We waited here until it gets really dark to get a nice view of the financial district. We also tried to go to F1 Arcade, but there's no more available time. We're gonna have to wait like 1 hour, and it's getting too late, so we just decided to not to do it. We're doing grocery for our breakfast before heading back to New York. So this is what we got for our road trip back to New York. We have 3 muffins, one of each, some fruits. Checking out.
Yeah, but New York.
Here's our car going back to New York. We are here now at Hartford, Connecticut. Just decided to stop by to take a photo at the state capitol. This is Hartford State Capitol. It's a nice building. This is the city view. United Healthcare building. Again, New York. Photo op while waiting for the elevator. Turn around, Mel. Nice. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Shen, Melody Gaskin Gulana, Kitia Thongpitak, Fanchita Thasani Wutikul, Patarawad.
This is where we're eating tonight after Melody's graduation. This is inside our hotel. It's called the Empire Restaurant. I think it's Empire Steakhouse, right?
Yeah.
I don't have the menu ready because they took it. Melody, the bread is so good, huh? I love it.
The bread's so good.
This is our appetizer. Fried calamari. We got our order. I got the tuna tartar. Melody has the chicken parmesan. And Daddy has the shrimp scampi. And what is this?
Extra from that thing.
Oh, that's your... Okay, that's your side.
You want to try it, Mami?
And this is our dessert. This is tiramisu and apple
She's dead,
crumble.
I would really love this at Thanksgiving. Just for inspiration for next year or this year.
Hello everyone! Today is Tuesday and we are on the way to eat lunch at Urban Hawkers at 50th Street. And after that, we're gonna go stroll around 5th Avenue. Today is a beautiful day, sunny, although it's a little bit cold. Last year's weather wasn't the same because we were here at the same time and we were wearing a sleeveless, I remember. We are here. This is where we're gonna eat lunch. That's our favorite right there. They have chow pan with seafood. I decided to get this one. This is like something new on their menu.
Yeah, one
It
there last
tastes
time.
like palabok.
One keep
But
it
our,
alive.
yeah, but our favorite is
It's like chow pan.
that one, the chow pan. We got something for Lele. That's where we got her toy. Looks so good. Okay, we got a pana chocolate and the cardamom band.
Are you getting ice cream?
Yes. What you gonna get?
I know. I want to try the olive oil.
No, I don't like that.
Yeah, well, I want to try it. You can buy the olive oil.
I'm craving for ice cream, so I'm gonna get just one scoop. I think so. Look at the line, guys. This is so long. This is longer than Monday.
Before you stand the amazing, inventive and Angeles inspiring candidates of the Faculty of Full Foundation School of Engineering and Applied Science. The Columbia Engineering Class of 2025.
Woo!
The future is here in the form of more than 1,800 talented students who are waving their engineering hammers before you today.
Melody.
Columbia University Class of 2025.
Family and friends, thank you for joining us.
Hi.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Enjoy the cheese before it sticks back together. Welcome to Cologne.
Thank you.
This is the casino. It has lardo, there is a white thing, it's pork fat and bacon. This one is the reganata with breadcrumbs. And this is the Chef Harry creation, the Fantasia. It's gonna have syrupine and ginger. Alright? Enjoy, guys.
Thank you. You see?
Yeah, but I have like
So now you have to open it yourself.
Oh, that's so nice.
Let me borrow a phone and put this right here, side by side.
Oh.
like that back.
My pleasure.
After eating at Carbone, we are here to check out this park. It's called Washington Park. They have a nice Washington Arch. It's just a walking distance from Carbone, like 7 minutes. We are here now, waiting for the light to turn blue for Columbia graduates. They are here in front of Madison Square Garden, and Knicks and Pacers are playing right now. So this is what they call the Empire State Turning Blue event for the graduate at Columbia University. Today is Thursday. We're going to Din Tai Fung for lunch. Here it is. We're back here again. We were here last year when they just newly opened. I remember it was so difficult to get a reservation last year, but this time it was so easy. I have my sauce. This is a shrimp dumpling. Shrimp fried rice. This is my favorite. Green beans. Mel's favorite. Spicy wonton. Their famous dessert.
It's a little much, I think.
But I see a lot of people with the stars. Yeah, the diamond.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, with the diamond though.
Okay, but this is not diamond, and this is a little much, I think. This is a lot of metal. Okay.
You want to see the smaller?
I have so many already.
So the other bracelet that you have, because it's not smooth.
There's a lot of in this area. So.
Yeah.
I can clean it for you later.
Oh, okay, that'd be great.
I'll clean it for you.
Okay. Well, okay.
I know.
Your birthday gift, your graduation gift, so not to mention the car gift.
It's milk chocolate. I want milk chocolate.
Taste it. If it tastes like Cartier.
Tastes like gold.
Tastes like gold. Let me see. Tastes like Cartier.
It tastes like $20,000.
Wanna put the yellow gold first, right?
Yes.
You're gonna have a separate unboxing for your video.
Thank you.
Let's go, Dad.
Okay.
Oh, where's your restroom?
Oh, right here, all the way to the end, behind the door to the left.
This floor?
Yeah.
Oh,
same
okay.
floor. You
Okay.
just walk to the left-hand side all the way to the end.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Oh, you want to take the water with you? See you later.
It's our last full day here in New York and we're going to have a lunch at Louis Vuitton Cafe. It's still here since last December. We're back here again.
There's no more this time.
Is it not fair? Oh, by appointment.
Oh, there's no more line.
Happy graduation. Alright, so restrooms are some restrooms are on the third floor and over here. Your things finishing up in front.
Just waiting for our table right now.
Thank you so much.
Let's go.
Thank you. Oh, there is a scoop in there. Yes, go ahead. I guess I'm gonna need a
Like I
break.
can take my photos. I can take videos and pictures.
You got it?
Hello.
So it's a complimentary.
Yeah, so this is your graduation
Complimentary
cake.
complimentary dessert.
Yeah, they give it for Melody for her graduation. Nice cake, Mel.
Can I take a picture of it? Like, oh my gosh, look at this.
What's that? Oh, it's a heart.
No, it's the little
Oh,
flower
so cute.
cover.
Wow.
It's this thing.
Yes.
Okay, well, I'm gonna do this in half.
Really good. It's like one strawberry. This is the best. So after Louis Vuitton, we decided to stop by here at Trump Tower. Rockefeller Center is ready for Memorial Day. Look at all these flags. Curious about this place. I'm Donut. Okay, Melody is trying to order. Unfortunately, we got here late. We only have 3 selections now.
Original, custard, and PB&J. But I'm getting 2 original and 1 custard.
I don't like PB&J.
No, I don't. I think out of all these, this is what I still would want, and then I would have wanted to try these too, but
so cute. Mel. We are back here again. Going home now today to Bay Area. We are here. It's not traffic. That's our flight. 9:30 on time. That's good. AS33. So we are here in Alaska Lounge. Going to have a breakfast here. Let's see what they have. What's
But they think they have sauce on
hot
there.
food? Bacon and it's my hubby's favorite. Here is a pancake. About to board.